Introducing Clevertouch boards by Sahara AV, available through Classroom 365. Get exclusive educational discounts and a free site survey. Benefit from pre-sale demos, post-installation support, and complimentary training by Sahara AV. Clevertouch boards, like smart and Promethean displays, lead in educational interactive technology, offering intuitive touchscreens with motion sensing. Available in various sizes, they require no attached computer but offer full functionality with one, featuring an Android OS and the Clevertouch IMPACT series software, including handwriting recognition, media player, and collaborative tools. Experience a unique learning interface tailored for education. Contact us for a free quote and more information.